Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ram 2500 front bumper. Only way. Begin by disconnecting the battery and removing the grille fasteners to access bumper mounts. Then support the bumper with a jack or helper before loosening bolts, unclip fog light harnesses, and carefully lower the bumper straight down to avoid damaging tabs and sensors. Start by taking off the plastic trim and grille screws to expose all main bolts and clips. Next, disconnect any electrical connectors like fog lights and sensors so wiring won't snag. Finally, support the bumper with a jack or a friend, remove the mounting bolts, and lower the bumper slowly while checking for hidden fasteners so nothing breaks. If bolts are stuck, apply penetrating oil and let it soak to reduce risk of rounding heads. Keep fasteners sorted and labeled so reinstallation is fast and accurate, and inspect plastic tabs for cracks that could cause alignment issues. If clips are damaged, swap them before refitting the bumper to ensure a secure, factory-fit finish that prevents rattles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.